lock wire pliers. There's a grippy bit here, a cutting bit there, cut the wire. And this is the mechanism. Enables you to twist the wires. So you get something like this. Beautiful, isn't it? That, squeeze shut. You lock it with that. And to unlock it, you squeeze it. Drops out, opens up. So now what we're going to do is cut some wire. Grip both wires in there. Put that foot there in here, then pull that down. That locks that foot in there, allows this to spin round and create the wire. So hold that, pull that, re-hold it, release, release, release. And to release the pliers, this is the side of the foot. We'll turn it around so you can see. As I squeeze this together, that latch will pop up. So watch here. Little foot's come out. And that's how you use lock wire pliers, lock wire pliers.